So okay with the key now. Look no the ke ko jo bo check ni of akwanwe ya. Ya ma anya be lu no ya. No kwa. Ke si the jinjin. Ona we has ya ko na room ya. E ma na bo. Hey, owo bele yo. Na le chament, beti kero chamwiti la. Hey, Chineke me. Lekwe yo, lekwe no key. Keke jo ba chien de mat. Ute automobile. Oh. Devil key. The mysterious key. Yeah, in Olo. Which part of Olo can you am? I'm if I can go. On Olo market. Huh? Nambuka. Mbuka Olo. Okay, Monolo. Okay, Mbuka. Where are you from and how were you able to drive the how did the vehicle get to you? Okay. First, but start with your name and where are you from?
Okay. My name is Interrogating. I'm from Imo State, Olo. So how did you come across the bus?
The bus.
It's my order.
Your guys in what? Are you an apprentice?
Yes,
Hold on.
I'm an apprentice. I'm the last apprentice. I start new. It's not up to 6 months that I start. Then I'm at home on that Monday morning. Then he now called me because he traveled with others. He traveled with others. He traveled with others. He now gave me a call. Say I should go to his wife because he has a two shop. One where he's looking for his wife. He said I should go to his wife's shop. That I will see one boy there. Then I should carry it to the boy. And I asked him, who is the boy? He now said it's the printer. I said okay. And I go to his wife's shop. With this my friend. I carry machine. And this my friend come carry the machine. I have that the motor to the boy shop. And the boy come ask me quickly work for the motor. I said I don't know. So make him call for the stuff. But before I come, once I don't really call him. So I said I take me. I said I never do 5 minutes. Now he called me for saying I come to the shop. As I come there, now I see police. Nothing concern me.
So who gave you the key when you got to the wife shop? The key to the vehicle?
They give it for on top of fridge. And the little boy did that. The little son did that. He put it on top of fridge. But they told me to put it on top of fridge.
So how many times have you driven any vehicle to J-Boy or to any painter? How many times?
No, it's only this one because I'm the last person there. It's only this one. I just tried to.
But did you know it was a stolen vehicle? Did you know?
I don't know. That's why J-Boy now called me. Now I rushed to go there. And as the police will tell me, say it's a stolen vehicle. I say, something where person may no go carry them. Now I carry them go in house. They search in house, you know, see them. And I tell them, say, they get where you open in wife shop. And I carry them go in wife shop, they don't see them for that. Then I carry them go from Buka, where they bring this machine for them.
So since that time where police arrest you, you and your guy don't talk?
No.
No. You don't try call him? You don't try?
No, I never try. What I say, my IPO. I say, we find a way, tracking number. I say, we find a way, tracking number.
Okay. Oh. Jesus Christ. Live from the anti-kidnapping unit of the Imo State Police Command, where the operatives of the command recovered over 400, if you are on 450 motorcycles, arrested, recovered over 450 motorcycles in Olo, recovered over 6 million naira cash, arrested 5 suspects. Let the machine. Oh, gosh, look at the machine. Oh, so I'm going to check a machine here. Yeah, they want kidnapping. They want with your receipt. So police said they are ready to release to anybody who can prove that his machine here. You know what? No law. You know what? Allez comme. No quoi. You know what? You know what? Machine no can come. Over 450. I should come? Ah. You know what? You know what? Look at the machine, oh. Jesus Christ. Let them get. Okay. You know what? You know what? Look at the machine, oh. Look at the machine, oh. Look at the machine, oh. Over 450. No what? I call a holo akabolelo. Hey. 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 Go like this. Go like this. I know that. They know what. So get with the key now. I look at the case of the ginger. On our warehouse, on our room. Hey, I will believe you. Let's have it. Let's take care of something. Hey, look at the key. Can't get you back in the mud with the automobile. Oh, the key. The mysterious key. Yeah, in Olo. Which part of Olo can you am? I'm if I can go. On Olo market. Huh? Nambuka. Mbuka Olo. Okay, Monolo. Okay, Mbuka. People, are you ready?
Where's my iPhone? Go on.
Na front thing go there now.
Where you go to stay?
No, we'll face him. Just carry him. Go
Get this machine.
The microphone. Not much now. We can get it. We can get the voice. You can get the. No, see the main thing now that needs to appear now. You know the machine again. If you put it here, you go capture everything. Capture everything. Just drop it. Keep it here.
Keep it here.
So where you go there now?
Capture everything.
You where you go there?
I will stand there.
You can stand like this. So backing us here. Picking us.
Ah.
Then when we finish, we now go.